Hello, guys. Nice to meet all of you. Welcome to our new channel. At this moment, we will learning to improve on speaking and listening in English through daily activities. Let's get started.
Hello, Sefin.
Hey Minna, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How is it going?
I am fine, thanks. Wait, you look a little different now. Do you know that?
Why did you say that?
Because your facial skin now looks a little black.
Oh really? Maybe it's just the effect of sunlight.
Oh, I see. By the way, what are your activities during the school holidays?
I thought. During the holidays, I would just be at home.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am.
So, what about your family vacation plans? Is it done?
Actually, not yet.
Oh no! Why is that possible, Minna?
That happened because my father couldn't come. And my mother couldn't come either.
How did it happen?
Yes, during the holidays, my father has assignments outside the city. And my mother also has a lot of duties at her office to prepare for the opening of the new school year. That's why our family vacation plans didn't happen.
How do you feel after things don't go according to your plans?
I feel like it's okay. I can go on holiday next year, right?
You're right. So, what are your activities while at home?
Yes, I have a lot of activities at home.
Can you tell me, what do you do while staying at home? Or when you have activities outside the home?
Of course. I'll tell you about it. Yeah, when I am at home, I will usually mop the floor. Or, I will clean the windows of the house which are already filled with dust, so that our house remains comfortable and clean. And after everything was clean, our house became more comfortable to live in. Next, after I was ready to clean the house, I continued to prepare the kitchen ingredients. Like slicing carrots, that's my job when I'm at home.
Minna, why only now do I know that you can cook? It's so amazing. I am glad to hear that.
Thank you for the compliment.
Hello, do you enjoying this lesson? Please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.
Minna, may I know what kind of dishes you can make?
Yes, I'll tell you about it. The types of dishes I can make. I think the first is rice, spaghetti, hamburger, sandwich, bread, cake, fried chicken, roasted chicken, boiled egg, soup, hot dog, sausage. These are the types of the dishes I can cook.
Wow, that sounds delicious. Minna, who taught you to make all those dishes?
Who taught me was my own mother.
Your mother is great, Minna, just like you are good at cooking.
Oh, Komen, don't praise too much. I am embarrassed.
All right. But you want to make me some dishes when I visit your house later?
Okay, Sefin, it's okay if you want to come to my house to try it. I am happy to welcome you.
Oh, Minna, I can't wait to try it as soon as possible.
Ha ha ha. You really want to try it?
Excuse me, may I continue the question?
What else do you want to ask?
Earlier, you told me what you do when you're at home. Now, I also want to know your activities outside the house when you have free time.
Okay, usually when I have free time, I want to spend my time through sports. Like going to the gym, to run using a treadmill machine, to maintain my heart and respiratory health. Then, I will row my bicycle to train the strength of my leg muscles. That's what I do when I'm outside the house.
Why do you like exercising, Minna?
Yes, I do all that because for me sport is fun.
So, what benefits do you get when you exercise?
For example, when I have done it, I will feel fresh and comfortable to do other activities. And do you know, my main goal in exercising is to maintain my body's health and fitness.
Oh, I understand now why you did all that. No wonder you look cheerful and happy.
Yes, and I also think you should try it.
You are right, Minna. I have to try it too.
Oh, what about you, Sefin? What do you do when you have free time?
I don't know, Minna. I just sleep and stay at home. And next time, if I have free time, I won't waste it. I will start using my free time with useful things such as exercising and others.
Yes, you have to do it.
Thank you for your advice, Minna. Okay, Minna, we should just end our conversation. I think it's time for me to return home. See you again.
See you next time. Sefin. Hello guys. Thank you for watching this video until the end. So if you all enjoying our learning, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. See you in the next video, and thank you. Bye.